Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for October 30th through November 6th. I have to apologize. I had a computer problem here and I kind of lost all the maps or most of the maps I was working on, plus the emails that were sent. So I'm going to try to do the best I can with what I have. Okay, we're looking at here is a deep trough here across the western U.S. with a zone of flow across here in the east. Now, most of the models in the sample show this, and we're going to take a look here first at the GEM geo heights potential. This is out October 31st. Still see a deep trough here. It's going to be very cold here. The models are showing anywhere between, I think, 12 and 5 degrees below normal. Now here in the east it also gets warm, and yesterday I thought it wasn't going to be that, but it looks like it will, and they're showing temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees above normal as we go into the first period. Now the height anomalies look like this. We have an area of below normal heights here across Alaska, the Gulf of Alaska. We have a trough here, a ridge over the Eastern Pacific. Here we have a deep trough here, and we also have a ridge here across the eastern U.S. We also have a ridge here across the North Atlantic. Another model I'm going to look at, this is European. This is showing the temperatures relative to normal, and you can see we go out to like 120 hours, and you still see cool here in the east, cool here in the west, warm here in the east. Cool starts to hang on a little bit across the northeast, but you can see these temperature anomalies. It's showing like 12 degrees above normal, and maybe about 4 degrees here. You go to 144 hours, and you can still see. Look at the anomalies here. Parts of the Ohio River Valley. It's showing anomalies of like 18 degrees above normal, even up in Canada. And the western U.S. remains cool. Then we go out to 168 hours. The warmth starts to lessen, and cool air starts to move back into the east. And then we go to 126 hours. You can see the cool air is here, and the warm is back here in the west. Now, another model I want to look at. This is we looked at that already. This is a GEM 2 meter temperature anomalies. See, we have cool here. This is showing about 14, maybe 16 degrees below normal here in parts of the mountains. Then we have above normal temperatures across the center of the nation, showing it maybe as high as maybe 10, approaching 12 degrees above normal. We have still cool temperatures across the east. Another model we're going to look at, this is the GFS, and it still shows cool here again in the west, the Intermountain West, and we have warmth here. I think the warmest temperatures are going to be across the portion of the southern plains of the Ohio River Valley. So during this first part of the forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, I am calling for below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation from the plains or from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. Now, for the last half of the period, forecasting below normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures as the cool starts to come back in behind a departing system, and we have above normal temperatures across the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this region, and this is a mistake, above normal precipitation for the northern Mississippi Valley. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion excuse me, for October 30th through November 10th. So sorry for the inconvenience, but I'll try to do better next week. So take care and have a good week.